Why am I laughing? I'll tell you why. Because a month ago, I looked like this. I decided to order pop-on veneers. Took about a couple of weeks for them to send me my impression kit. I did my impression, sent them back. About 2 weeks later, my pop-on veneers was knocking at my door. Couldn't wait to get in my mouth. I couldn't wait either. So I took them out, little blue box, and also came with a toothbrush and some um, stuff to keep them clean. Then I did this. And now I look like this. Thank you, Pop on Veneers. You just pop them in, and your life changes. Thank you. Pop on Veneers. Get some.